All right, you big mess testers out there, we have some ranch dressing, some mustard. Oh, I don't like mustard.
Yum.
Ketchup, I like ketchup, and some Canada Dry ginger ale, in addition to crushed up pretzels. So how will the Dreametech H11 handle this mess? All right, take it away, Mrs. Vaclab. She's gonna put some goo in every square, or no, maybe not too much.
I have to have the dirt pre-mixed.
Yeah.
Rosie, come. Go on. Go out.
Yes, our dog's very interested in what on earth we're doing.
She's like, I want to lick it up.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's plenty.
Oh, I couldn't see it.
That's plenty.
A little extra.
Uh-huh.
My poor mustard.
Yeah. Oops. Ranch dressing on the linoleum. All right. You could probably put more than one in each square. That's going to be over quite a large surface area.
Okay.
All right, that's a lot of mustard. Who spills that much mustard?
You do, trying to get rid of it.
Oh, brother. I know. Rosie's like, what is going on here? The humans are putting food on the floor. Sure. We got enough lights. My precious ketchup. I put that on everything.
Oh, it dribbled. Oh. See? That dribble was a mistake. Well, maybe we'll do that last because that's going to run.
Okay. Well, you can pour it in the pretzels or something like that.
Oh,
well, just spread the pretzels around. Doesn't matter. Okay, that's good. And now the Canada Dry will kind of adhere to the pretzel bites, you hope.
My precious cranberry. Yeah.
I don't normally do this type of testing.
No.
I try to keep it as realistic as possible, but I know it's just so popular.
I don't recommend this.
Yeah.
Ah.
All right, that's good. That's great. Oh, that's a spill. Oh, my.
Rosie, you stay out.
Okay.
Hold on.
Got a full tank of water there with a solution in there.
Do you want me to go head on, or do you want me to come and go this way?
Doesn't matter.
Which way do you prefer?
It doesn't actually make any difference. You decide.
Yay. Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Ready? Power on.
Auto mode.
Ah,
I'd go slow.
I don't even want to do this. This is like really nasty. Oh, turn orange.
Yeah. Surprise isn't red.
It's orange.
It's making a funny noise.
Red.
Oh, it's red.
Oh, there we go.
I mean, who picks up
But
ketchup?
look at that. One pass and it's all gone.
Wow.
Except for I couldn't get all the pretzels in one spot.
Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, that's there's nothing there. You can't even tell that it was there.
Oh, now I'm orange.
Okay. Yeah, I bet you're orange.
And we're going to clean the floor. Rosie's going to be here to get ready to lick it up.
Yeah. She's wondering where'd everything go.
Now green, orange.
Okay. Oh, the smell.
Green.
Oh, the smell just hit me. Ooh.
Oh, I don't smell anything.
Yeah.
I'll stay where I am.
All right, hit that little button right there, that little water button, the high suction
Push,
button.
let go,
Yeah,
or?
I don't know. Just try it. See what happens. We haven't pushed that button yet. Water absorption mode. Okay, so it's not putting any water down. All right. Did it change anything on the screen?
It just says water absorption mode.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and
So
push it
turn it
again.
Auto mode.
Auto.
Wonderful. Okay, so if you're picking up pure liquid and you don't need any additional water, use the water absorption mode.
Well, no, I can't see water going on the floor. Rosie, watch out, baby.
Yeah.
Watch out, girl. It's all going. Oh, there goes the water.
Okay, now it's coming back down.
I want to make sure the floor is clean. Orange.
Yeah, I don't think there's any doubt that the floor is clean. Here, let me get a close-up of that. There it is. Oh. All right, let's put it on the base and do the self-cleaning.
Powering on. Powered off. Please place your vacuum on
Yeah, I bet. Maybe we have to do it even more than once. She was worried that it would turn the brush roll red or at least stain it. I think it's slightly stained. I can see it right there. The ketchup. It's minimal, but it's there. So let's see what the self-cleaning does.
Watch out, girl.
Yeah. Okay, let her rip.
Over there.
Start self-cleaning. Roller brush cleaning.
I can see a little discoloration up here, but
Yeah. There goes the water.
Intelligent detection.
I don't know what that said. Something detection.
It says intelligent detection.
I don't know what that means.
Okay, all right.
It detects you're watching it.
Yeah. It just said deep cleaning, I think.
Self-cleaning completed. Please clean the dirty water tank.
I don't see.
There's
Please clean the dirty water
Ever so
tank.
slightly.
yeah,
the
it's
discoloration.
right in here. It's
Start
really
scratching.
it's really minor. It's really minor. So it pretty much is clean the brush roll, and obviously you can go and clean it yourself.
And no, Mr. Vaclab, I am not putting my hands in this mess.
Yeah. All right, let's see what it's like.
Well, it's
Soup.
hot chocolate with some pretzels. I
Yeah.
don't know.
Ugh.
It doesn't look any different than it did going in.
All right.
Nope.
Well, it's cleaned it. What can I say? Everything in there seemed to be water soluble.
Oh, makes me want to gag. It smells gross.
Yeah, the smell's the worst part.
It's that ketchup.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. There's the red. I was wondering where it went.
And that's it.
Okay, all right, rinse her off. So it does well with ridiculous, unrealistic messes. Yeah, all that stuff mixed together smells terrible. So once again, the Dreametech did not disappoint at all. It did a great job. So it looks like this is still a highly recommended machine.
There's a pretzel piece stuck at the bottom. Got it.
So check out the links in the description below. Happy wet dry vacuum.